guys, I am Reina Crishamil P. Inocencio. I wanna sing a song for everybody. And this is my first video. I'm gonna sing When I Look at You by Miley Cyrus. Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a song. A beautiful melody when the nights are long, 'cause there is no guarantee that this life is easy. Yeah, when my world is falling apart, when there's no light up to break up the darkness at night, I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, there's a night I look at you. When I look at you, I see forgiveness. I see the truth. You love me for who I am, like the stars hold the moon, right there where they belong. And I know I'm not alone. Yeah, when my world is falling apart, when there's no light up to break up the darkness at night, I look at you. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, there's a night I look at you. You appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that cover me. Oh, I need every breath that I breathe. Don't you know you're beautiful? When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, there's a night I look at you. When I look at you, yeah, oh, you appear just like a dream to me. Thank you.